Welcome, Andrew Waterhouse from Wonks. I'm going to talk to you today about Google Ads bidding. So with Google Ads bidding, it can feel like choosing between driving a manual transmission car or a self-driving one. In 2026, the platform has leaned heavily into AI, but manual control has actually made a bit of a comeback in the user interface for those who need it. Here is a breakdown of your bidding options categorized by what you actually want to achieve. Option 1, smart bidding. That's AI powered. The following strategies use auction time bidding, where Google's AI analyzes millions of signals like location, time of day, and user intent to adjust your bid for every single search. Let's break that down. So there's maximize conversions. That's all about lead gen and signups. You've got targeted cost per action. That's for specific targets. And then you've got maximize conversion value. That's more for e-commerce. And then you've got target return on ad spend, which is all about profitability. Option 2 is awareness and traffic bidding. Use these three where you don't necessarily care about a sale today, but you want people to see your brand. Maximize clicks. The goal is pure volume. Google tries to get as many people to your site as possible within your daily budget. We've got target impression share. You tell Google what your ad you want your ad at the absolute top of the page, or just anywhere on the first page a certain percentage of the time. Target cost per 1,000 impressions, mostly for YouTube and display. You pay based on how many people see your ad, not who clicks. Option 3 is manual bidding. As of 2026, Google has moved manual cost per click back into the primary setup flow, acknowledging that advertisers still want human control for specific scenarios. These are manual cost per click. You set the exact maximum you are willing to pay for a click on a specific keyword. Pros for that is total control over your spend. Cons, it doesn't account for quality of the user in real time. Advanced cost per click, a hybrid mode. You set the bid, but Google can slightly increase or decrease it based on the algorithm where it sees a strong or weak chance of conversion. So which one should you pick? New account or low data? Start with a manual cost per click or maximize clicks to prime and pump to get the data coming. Steady sales, maybe around 30 plus per month. Switch to the target cost per action or target return on ad spend. The AI performs best when it has a history of successful conversions to learn from. Brand protection, use the target impression share on your own brand name keywords to ensure competitors don't outrank you on your own turf. Hope that's helpful. And if you need more help with this, we're certainly here to assist at Wonks. Have a great day. If you like this, give us a like.